Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch another video. Today I'm going to go over how to do high space buns and low space buns. I feel like this look is going to be pretty popular this summer. It's super fun and actually pretty easy to do. I like to do this style probably a day or two after waving my hair because it's way easier when you have that texture in there already. So for this look, you're going to need some small clear elastics, some hairpins, some hairspray, and a brush. First, you're going to want to start by sectioning away the pieces of hair that you want to frame your face. Then you're going to section your hair down the middle and clip away the section of hair that you weren't working with first. Now, take your first section of hair and position it into a pigtail where you want it to sit, and then secure it with an elastic. Next, you'll do the other side, making sure it is symmetrical to the other pigtail. For this part, you're going to take your brush and gently back brush your hair to get a little bit more volume. Next, you're going to twist the ponytail that you just back brushed and put it into a bun. Take your second hair elastic and tie it around the bun you just formed. Secure everything with bobby pins. Next, you can take some hairspray to spray down all the little flyaways that might have gotten out and to secure all the buns. First, you'll start by sectioning away the face framing pieces. Then, you'll section your hair down the middle. Tie away the side you aren't working on first to make things easier. Bring the other side into a low pigtail and secure it with an elastic. Backbrush the hair, twist it into a bun, and secure it with another elastic. Secure it and shape it with bobby pins. Repeat these same steps on the other side, making sure that it is symmetrical to the other bun. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope this helps the next time you decide you want to do space buns. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you later.